everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss exercise 3.2. In this exercise, we will learn how to solve pair of linear equation by substitution method. So as you can see in the first question, the equations are x plus y equal 14 and x minus y equal 4. So first of all, we will find value of x from the first equation. So x equal 14 minus y, and we will substitute this value of x in equation number 2, and here we will get 14 minus y equal 4. After solving this, we will get y equal 5. We will put this value of y in equation number 3 and we will get value of x as 9. So x equal 9 and y equal 5 is the answer for this question. Second part of the first question, the equations are s minus t equal 3, s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. Here we will take s equal 3 plus t from the first equation and we will substitute this value of s in equation number 2, and after solving we will get value of t as 6. This value of t we will substitute in equation number 3 and we will get s as 9. So s equal 9 and t equal 6 is the final answer for this pair of linear equation. In the third part, the equations are 3x minus y equal 3, 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. We will take y from the first equation, so y equal 3x minus 3, and we will put this value of y in equation number 2. Here we will see that we cannot form a proper linear equation in this. This means here the equations have infinitely many solutions. Also, you can check by checking the coefficients of x and y and the constant term if the pair of equations have definite solution or not. Fourth part, the equations are 0.2x plus 0.3y equal 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5y equal 2.3. We will take y from the first equation, y equal 1.3 minus 0.2x upon 0.3, and we will substitute this value of y in equation number 2, and after solving this linear equation we will get x equal 2. After substituting the value of x equal to in the value of y, we will get y as 3. So x equal 2 and y equal 3 is the answer of these pair of linear equations. In the fifth part, we can see the equations are root 2x plus root 3y equals 0, root 3x minus root 2y equals 0. From the first equation, we will take y as subject and we will get y equal minus root 2x upon root 3. And we will put this value of y in equation 2 and we will get x as 0. And after substituting x as 0 in any of the equation, we will get y equals 0. So the answer is x equals 0, y equals 0. Sixth part, the equations are 3x upon 2 minus 5x by 3 equal minus 2, and x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Here we will take y from the first equation. We will make y as the subject for this equation and we will get y equal 9x plus 12 upon 10. Then we will substitute this value of y in equation number 2 and we will get value of x as 2. And this equation, this value of 2, we will, this value of x, we will put in y and we will get y equal 3. So x equal 2 and y equal 3. Solve 2x plus 3y equal 11 and 2x minus 4y equal minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equal mx plus 3. So here in this question, first we will solve first two equations by using substitution method. As we had did the above equations, we will take value of y from the first equation and substitute it in equation number 2. And after solving this, we will get x equal -2 and y equal 5. And this value of x and y we will substitute in y equal mx plus 3 as given in the question, and we will get value of m equal -1. Next, question number 3. So in question number 3 we are given word problems. So first we have to frame equations and then we have to find their solution. First question is, the difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other. Find the numbers. So what we will do in this, we will first take the numbers as x and y. So according to question, x is equal to 3y is our first equation and x minus y equal 26 is our second equation. We will substitute value of x from the first equation in equation number 2 and we will get y as 13 and x would be 39. So the numbers are 39 and 13. Second part of question number 3. The question is, larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. So we will take angles at x and y. X minus y is 18 is our first equation. X plus y is 180 is our second equation. Because the angles are supplementary, so their sum would be 180. We will take value of x from the first equation and substitute it in the second. And after solving, we will get y equal 81. X would be 99. So our angles are 81 and 99. Third part of the same question is, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bat and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buy 3 bat and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and ball. So we will take cost of one bat as rupees x and cost of one ball as rupees y. First equation would be 7x plus 6y equal 3,800 and 3x plus 5y equal 1,750 would be the second equation. We will substitute x from the first equation in equation number 2 and after solving we will get y as 50. After putting y equal 50 in equation 1, we will get x as 500. So cost of one bat is rupees 500 and cost of one ball is rupees 50. Fourth question, the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105 and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer, and how much does the person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? So we will take fixed charge as x rupees and charge per kilometer as y rupees. According to question, we will have two equations, x plus 10y equal 105 and x plus 15y equal 155. After substituting x from first equation in second equation, we will get y as 10 and x as 5. So the fixed charge of the taxi is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. So charge for 25 km would be x plus 25y, which is rupees 255. Fifth part of this question is, a fraction become 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 upon 6. Find the fraction. So we will take numerator as x and denominator as y. And according to the question, x plus 2 upon y plus 2 is 9 upon 11. So we will get our first equation as 11x minus 9y equal -4. And according to the second situation, x plus 3 upon y plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 6. So our second equation would be 6x plus 5y equal minus 3. So substituting value of x from the first equation in equation 2, we will get 6 bracket 9y minus 4 upon 11 bracket close minus 5y equal minus 3. And on solving this, we will get y as 9 and x as 7. So the fraction is 7 upon 9. Sixth part, 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times as that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So we will take age of Jacob as x years and his son as y years. After 5 years, Jacob's age would be x plus 5 and his son's age would be y plus 5. So according to question, x plus 5 is equal to 3 times y plus 5. X minus 3y equal 10 is our first equation. Then second situation is 5 years ago his age was x minus 5 and his son's age was y minus 5. So x minus 5 is equal to 7 times y minus 5 and the second equation would be x minus 7y equal minus 30. So substituting the value of x from the first equation in equation number 2, we will get y as 10 and x as 40. So present age of Jacob would be 40 years and his son would be 10 years. So here we are done with exercise 3.2. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.